Hello guys, and today I'm playing with Gamer, and we are playing Minecraft Roblox, right? Yeah. Hello. I'm so excited because I get a cyber Gamer for everything. You go here. Okay, I'll start over. No, not yet. I need to get the timer ready. I just want to get my phone ready. Okay, you can get it things ready, but don't stop. Hold on.
It is 10 minutes, right? The 10 minute thing.
How do I make it 10 minutes?
Do we have to make it play?
Tell the food. Yes. Okay.
No.
No, a bowl. A bowl and a mug. Yeah, coffee. Okay. Starting. 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay.
I get a few seconds after we are supposed to be like
When the time is done.
because I pressed the timer and now I don't have that much time. I'm building a table. I got a message from Jody.
I don't want to buy
I am playing Roblox. Oh yeah, I forgot she's left the spa.
Maybe, no, we can't play Roblox with her. Sorry guys, my friend is messaging me. She wants to be on a video.
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go. I just told her that she stop messaging me in the middle of a video, and that gets interrupted is annoying. Oh, I'm so bad at building.
I don't know if you want to post it, but I'm bad at it.
Well, I'm bad at it. But it doesn't matter if we're bad, it's how we learn from our mistakes. That's what my people say to me sometimes. Okay. Here we go. We learn from our mistakes. I am making a table. She's going to waste most of my time.
I'm making a table. Some will have it.
Wasting most of my time.
Making a table.
We have 8 minutes left.
No, man.
8 minutes.
How long is that?
That's,
Going to be like 8 minutes.
I don't know how to explain it.
It's not that long. I'm almost done with the table. Just a few blocks to add and then I'm done with the table. There you go.
And now I'm gonna do the mug.
In the comments down below, give us ideas of what we must build in our next video of Bold Battle, please. And shout out to Blake, my brother's friend. He wanted a shout out. He's the only one that commented a shout out, please. So I will give him a shout out. Shout out to Blake. Yeah, so yeah, you're lucky that I'm letting you only for this time only, because he's not my friend. So it's actually weird. I'm not even with the bowl yet. I just started with the bowl. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think it was mine too big. Bless me.
Bless you.
Oh, my nose is so itchy now. color suit?
I'm almost done.
I'm almost done. Something that I'm allergic to is in the room.
Like what?
I feel like sneezing so much. How was you when you saw a bee?
No.
Good.
I was in the
I'm
kitchen.
feeling there is something I'm allergic to in here.
Like what?
Either a bee or mosquito. It's something that bites. Any insects that bites. I don't know anymore. There you go. I am done.
I'm also done.
Wait, I'm not done. I've got one more touch.
Nothing on.
Yeah, I'm done.
And I'm done.
Okay. You want to add anything else like a lumen setting with it?
Yeah, do you? Let me check how much time we still have left. We still have 4 minutes.
I'm just gonna make like a picnic thing with it now. You can make whatever you want in time. What are you gonna make?
This is on a table. I need a tablecloth. Comment down below. Tell us which one you think is better. Please be kind. Jessica is not the best. I'm not the best. Please be kind about it. Okay? Be fair. No rude comments. Rude comments, we report you.
I can't say I'm a really good builder.
I can't say that either.
But I'm trying my best.
Me too. With the bowl, I tried my best, and the knife is a bit too easy. I'm like done with the tablecloth. I don't know what else to add. What else must I add? No idea.
I don't think your dad's happy about you.
Why? Stop talking about it. Be over that now.
You know? There isn't time for me to make.
Now put this hole in the soup.
It's for me.
How?
It's like pins and needles.
Oh.
I don't like the feeling.
Put wake up.
Oh, I don't like the feeling. There, I am done.
I'm almost done.
How much minutes do we have left? 1 minute.
Okay.
What else to add? I don't know what else I must add.
Yours looks nice.
everyone's having a picnic. But they're not. Oh, they just get food outside. And I'm done. I don't know what else to add. The other.
See, I'm done.
I'm done.
You want to look mine first? Okay, let's let this timer stop now. Stop. Okay, in the comments down below, tell us whose do you like.
But don't be rude.
Yeah. Let's make an apple for the next round.
Yeah.
This round I'm just gonna give 4 minutes. The apple doesn't take that long.
Just have to get some.
Set. So that is now going to be 4 minutes.
No, not 4 minutes.
Yes, it's just an apple. It's just an apple. One apple.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Go. I did not press the go button, but okay. There you go. I'm back to make it now. I'm gonna hold it here next to the. Wait, that's yours. Oops. I'm gonna hold it next to here.
How did you do at school?
Good for you.
Good.
I am so happy. At first, my parents weren't thinking of getting me the game that I wanted. I know, right? I'm just happy that they do that, because it's what I wanted since 2 years ago. Tomodachi Live!
How many times do you have it? You don't have to check.
It's still 3 minutes. Calm down. I made the biggest apple ever. Why did I do this?
I'm making it like a small one.
I'm making a big apple. I don't know why. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
And you
6.
want to put your wheel and put your. No, I don't want torches. Have any of them?
Nope. Not at all. Why did I do such a big apple? It's not gonna be a real apple. It's gonna be a magical apple. Are you almost done?
Yes, I'm on the leaf.
Mine is a magical apple.
Okay.
Don't look at mine yet. I want that to be a surprise.
Don't look at mine.
I'm not looking at yours. I don't have time to look at yours.
Done.
Still don't look at mine.
The apple is yummy.
I'm hungry now.
What can I get loads for us?
After the video. There we go. My apple is done.
Mine. I want to see
Okay, let
mine.
me stop the timer quickly. Stop. Okay, now in the comments down below, say who wins the first one and the second one. You must say in the comments down below. First, Gemma or Jessica. Second, Gemma or Jessica. Okay? See, this is my apple. My apple with the face. And this is my mug and soup.
Wow, and look at mine apple.
This is her apple with a nice leaf. And this is my mug and soup. So comment down below who's you like best. See you guys in the next video. Bye. Subscribe.